Hi everyone, welcome to Computer Succeed. Today's tutorial show you how to apply header, footer and page number. So let's try to understand what is header and footer and why we applied it. You can make your documents look professional and polished by utilize the header and footer section. The header is a section of the documents that appears in the top margin, while the footer is the section of the documents that appears in the bottom margin. Header and footer generally contain information such as the page number, date, and document name. In this video, we will learn how to insert and edit header and footer. To start, there is a document that you may insert header and footer. If your document is more than one page, you want to insert your document name in the header or footer else. To do that, click the Insert tab and go over the header and footer section and click on header. It gives you some layouts. You can scroll down and see different layouts for header. So just click one. I am going to choose the second one here. You can see that there are 3 columns and typing your own text in the top margin of the document. So I am going to ahead and put title of this document and click inside and typing the document name, the Learning Institute of India. Next I want to insert date into the header, so I am going to right hand side, type text and click inside. When you are working with header and footer, the design tab show up and it's give you some extra options. You can insert the date and time. So just click on it and it's give you a dialog box to choose one option and click OK. You can see that this is inserted into the top margin. You can also insert pictures, so I think that I will show you how to insert a company logo in front of company name. So I am going to click on beginning of the name and select picture option and choose a location of the image, then select logo image and press OK, and after adjust the size of image and position. Next you can see 2 options. By clicking on go to footer, you can go to the footer section and simply click go to header. You can go the header section. Next you can change the amount of space it takes up over here. By using the position, this will make a larger header and you can see that spacing is getting large. Or you can make it smaller. Simply you clicking and you can see that space is getting smaller. Last I am deleting center typing box. I am going to close the header. Just click on the cross button. Now I am going to insert page number in footer section. For that, click on the Insert tab and go over the header and footer section and click on footer. Similarly of the header, it's give you some layouts of the footer. You can scroll down and see the different layouts for footer. I just choose one. So I am going to choose the second one here. You can see that there are 3 columns. First I am going to delete which will not be used in there. I will click inside the last one and you can come over here to page number from design tab. I just click on page number and I am going to choose bottom of page and it in right here. Now you can scroll down and check it. It is applied to all pages. I am going to close the footer. Click on cross button. I hope you are able to understand how to apply header and footer. If you found this content useful, please give this video a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to this channel. Again, thank you for watching and I will see you in next video.